Vandalizing. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, hey boo, how you doing? You are welcome to my channel. Okay though, so today I decided to do a very different video, and it's going to be a review on this beautiful, yummy, delicious, luscious hair I got from Aliexpress. And this hair is called the ISEE Mongolian Kinky Curly Hair. So you guys, I got this in 14 inches closure, 2 bundles of 16 inches and 1 bundle of 18 inches. It took about 5 days to get to me here in Italy, and on arrival I did not pay any custom clearance, which is really beautiful, because sometimes when you order hair, when the hair arrives, the DHL guy will be like, custom fees. Like, girl, why? This is 2 months, 2 good months of using this hair, and I feel after trying the hair for 2 months, you can know, or you would be able to know if that hair is good hair or not. So with all that I have just said, let me tell you everything beautiful, because honestly I don't have any negative thing to say about this hair. Like, is that going to be partial? Honestly, I don't have any negative thing to say about it. So let's start with all the pros of this hair. Number 1, this is literally the most low maintenance hair I have. And actually it's funny because this is coily hair, and I have always believed that coily hair is high maintenance, it's problematic, it's full of drama and all that. But honestly, this hair has shown me that you don't have to believe what everybody says. Guys, how do I wear this hair, or how do I maintain this hair? Honestly, I don't do anything. I don't do anything. The last time I applied any product on this hair, I think it's about a week ago, and that was when I applied one of my old worn out coil activator. Other than that, I don't apply anything. Okay, what I do is sometimes, if I don't want it to look like very full, because right now it is totally dry, so if I don't want it to look this full, I just spray water on it. I get water in the bottle, spray on it, and that is all. So that's why I said it is low maintenance. It doesn't give me any problem. And what I like about the hair is it's always ready for you to put on. Like, this is that wig that you can just drop it anywhere. The next morning you just put on your wig and you go. Unlike maybe straight hair, or some of these are coily hair, in the morning you have to straighten it, you have to coil it. If it's not coiled, it doesn't look good. If it's not properly straightened, it doesn't look good. But this is the natural state of this hair, and what more can I ask for? Nothing. It's just so good. Number 2 pro to this hair is this hair doesn't shed. I can literally run my hand all through. It doesn't shed. Like, this is, I'm literally just pulling, I'm pulling the hair so that you see that, okay, I just have 1 strand. And you know, considering the fact that I cut my weft when I was making this, because this week I made it myself, I cut my weft when I was making it, and you know that when you cut your weft, that is a big recipe for disaster. Your hair will keep shedding, but I cut the weft, and despite that, I don't get any shedding from this hair. The only time you get shedding is, you know, when you're washing it. I wash this hair once every month, so I've washed it twice already, and you just get little shedding. Maybe I'm going to add little clips of when I'm washing this hair, just so that you can see what I'm talking about. Number 3 pro to this hair is it doesn't tangle. It doesn't tangle, and I feel that's because I made it into a wig. Even if it tangles, to me, I don't feel it's bad. Or even if it will tangle, I don't think that's something necessarily bad, because it's coily hair. I think that coily hair has that twist already, you know, unlike straight hair that just falls flat. Coily hair has that twist, so even if it's going to tangle, I don't necessarily see that as something bad. All you need to do is, when you come back, if it's a wig, when you come back, quickly detangle, spray some water, and you know, hang it back. Guys, I don't know if I stated it earlier on, but this hair is totally dry at the moment. no product, no water, nothing. It's just dry, and this is how it looks like. And girl, once this hair is dry, I don't like touching it, because the more you touch it, it just gets fuller, 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 and fuller. And I think I could have gotten away with using only 2 bundles. I'm going to wet it now for you guys to see what it looks like. You're supposed to use a spray bottle, but you don't have spray bottles. We're going to make use of this one. This is how I just now this is the hair totally wet, but not wet to the point where it begins to drip all over your body. And remember I told you it's low maintenance, and that's because look at how beautiful these curls are with no product on it. Like, what else do you want me to add? I don't have to add anything else. I like it wet when I don't want that full look going on, so I just spray the water on it for it to just calm down, and that's the only reason why I apply water. So this is it. So let's give you a back view. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a huge thumbs up, leave a nice comment down below, and if this is your first time here, do well to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in my next one. Ciao.